Hello, everybody. Just a quick update. A couple things I've been doing lately was getting into some 3D modeling for some design stuff I've got in mind. So I kind of want to share. I don't know. Just put it up here. This is got a little animation. It's got the doors that open up. This is a trailer of mine. Eventually, I'm going to build some custom cabinets for inside this trailer, and this is going to be kind of what I'm going to use to get that done. But yeah, it's pretty neat messing with Blender. It comes, you can get some pretty cool, good, pretty interesting effects. If I can not screw it up there. Got the glowing brake lights, some texture on the wood, even the tires here. Tires, I made all those. Taking a bit to resolve some of this, but all the textures I made, and it's all to scale, so it's kind of neat. Turn that off because it gets a little crazy. But yep, there it is. 3D trailer action. Cool. Have a good day.